Welcome to JH. Looking for a cheap 4K TV? The Element Xumo 43-inch might catch your eye, or at least your wallet's attention. Let's see if it's actually worth your hard-earned cash, or just a fancy paperweight. This TV boasts 4K resolution, meaning you get sharp, clear images that might actually let you see the sweat on an athlete's forehead. It packs HDR and Dolby Vision, so the colors pop and dark scenes don't just look like a total power outage. Surprisingly, it claims a 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth action in sports and gaming, because nothing says pro gamer like a budget TV from a brand you usually find next to the milk aisle. For the price, the picture quality is actually surprisingly decent. The Xumo platform comes preloaded with over 250 apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Disney+. You also get 750 free live channels, which is great if you enjoy scrolling through 740 things you'll never actually watch. It features a voice remote so you don't have to strain your thumbs typing, plus Apple AirPlay and Bluetooth for your wireless headphones. It's almost like they're trying to convince us this is a high-end tech hub. However, here's where the honeymoon ends. Many users report that the Wi-Fi connection drops more often than a clumsy waiter, and you can't even add or delete apps. It's a smart TV that basically tells you what you're allowed to enjoy. Some reviews even mention a mysterious activation fee just to use the smart features, which is a lovely way for a company to say, surprise, you owe us more money. If you're on a tight budget and plan to use an external device like a Fire Stick anyway, this could actually work for you. The picture is solid for the $140 price tag, but if you want stable Wi-Fi and actual control over your own device, you're better off skipping a few lattes and buying a TCL or Samsung. It's a fine choice if you're desperate to save every penny. Just don't expect it to provide a premium experience. That's all for today. I hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.